So today we'll talk about some interactions in their environment. So the main ones could say they are predation, predation. We have commensalism. We have mutualism and parasitism. So there's four things, right? Okay. So let's talk about parasitism first. So the parasitism, the host will be not so happy, and the guest, shall we say, will be very happy. Or in other words, the guest or the parasite, it feels it is going to survive. The parasite will live off the host. So the parasite will have its shelter on the on the host, will have food and supplies on the host. And a good example of it is, for example, our good old friend, the dogs. So the dogs, oh, what? The dogs and parasites, they live off the dogs. So yeah, that's other type of parasitism is the brood parasitism that happens with the cowbird, which is this. Which is this bird over here. So what happens is that it lays its eggs on another bird's nest, and then the host will raise the will care will take care of the egg and feed the hatchling, and then it grows up. And so yeah, that's another type of parasitism. But we also have mutualism, when the host and the guest both are forgot the word. They both go out happy. So for example, there is a tree called the acacia tree, and this acacia tree, they have lots of branches, right? And on these branches, and they have little holes on their trunk, because we have some acacia ends, right? We have some acacia ends that will be represented by dots. And so what happened is that they can live on these holes, and if another tree and the ants live off acacia the acacia tree and protect the tree by killing any trees that are near it, so that the acacia tree can have the most sunlight, and also from other animals. From uh, they don't need, but they go on their nose, so it hurts. So that's another type of that's a type of mutualism. Another one is the one that the uh, between whales and barnacles. So that's a type uh, of commensalism. Sorry, I was talking about mutualism. Yeah, the ants and the tree. And now we're going to say about commensalism. The when the guest is happy and the host is nor good nor bad. So the barnacles and the whales. The barnacles, they attach themselves to the back of the whales, and the whales, they just continue. And the barnacles eat the little things uh, that go on the back of the whale, or that are near them in the water. So yeah, and predation is when one is killing and the other is being killed. And that is one of the most common.